Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to install Fortnite on any iPhone. It's a very simple tutorial, so if you appreciate me making this video, give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. I'd love to help you out in the comment section down below. So there's a small issue, and it is when you go on the App Store and you type in Fortnite, can't actually see it. There's other battle royales, but not Fortnite. And the reason is basically a year ago, Apple just kicked Fortnite off the App Store. You can see articles from The Verge, and it's basically because they had some issues. Fortnite didn't want to pay the commission for in-app purchases. So there's different ways to install it. There's apps that you can use to install Fortnite, but some of them are kind of shady. So the only working way is to actually go on the App Store, click on your profile photo, click on purchased and my purchases, and then click on type in Fortnite right here. So if you had Fortnite installed at any point in any of these two tabs, you'll see it here and you can install it. If this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you in the next one. Bye.